Thank you. It's just where I wanted them. Thank you, Claire. You gonna put those away for Mommy? Put them away, please. That a girl? Careful. I'll help you. Good girl, Spud. Wow. Wow, Spuddy. Down, down. Good girl. Good girl, Spud. Okay, get going by yourself. Whoa, Claire. All by yourself. Yay, Claire. Oh, good job, Claire. Good job. Can you get the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Hi to the car. Hi. Hi. There. Where's this ball, Claire? You gonna come get it? Wow, Claire! Wow, Spuddy! Good job! Good job, Claire! Oh boy! Oh, Claire! You're walking all by yourself. Did you know that? Yeah! Oh, this is great! This is fun! Yeah! You get yourself out of here? Go for a walk around the block? Say, I'm gonna walk myself around the block. What do you see, Claire? See some birdies? What do you see? Come here. Come here, Claire. Look. Look. Claire. Want your ball? Whoops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just taking a rest. That was a lot of walking. You're a good sport, Spud. Get that ball. Stand up there. Good job. Good girl. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at all this walking, Claire. Are you so proud of yourself, huh? Mirroring some furniture? Let me see that tongue. Let's see that tongue, Claire. So 3 spirals. top of my head. Peekaboo. Boo. Hi. Boo. No, no, don't touch that, baby. No, no, Clairsy. Claire. No, no, no. No, no. No, no, not for babies. Please don't touch. Here. Come get your ball. Good girl. Here she comes. Can you get through there? What do you think?